Hi everyone, my name is Robert Mardirosyan and I've been teaching mathematics in different colleges in the last 25 years in the LA area.
And I'm John Nymus. I've got about 30 years experience teaching law, English, and psychology. The colleges and universities nationwide have done away with prerequisites for math classes and English 101, which you would probably be required to take that first year you go into college. National surveys showed that across the nation, that roughly 51% of first-year students failed because they hadn't had the prerequisites. This is where we can help you.
So if you want to get help from us, contact us. You can go to mathacademia.com. The contact information is there. Then you make an appointment for you for a free evaluation. The evaluation is going to take about 1 hour for math. I will be doing that, and about 1 hour for English, and John will be doing that, and we're going to determine exactly how ready you are for the class. If you're not ready, we do have crash courses and we do have tutoring services to help you enroll in that class and succeed.
Let us help you succeed. That's what we're here for. That's why we're doing this. We're looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks much.
Thank you.